So hi guys, welcome back. Well, I was reached out to this company, Malacase, for their porcelain rameskin bakeware. So guys, in this box is the 6-ounce small ramekin for baking. Guys, there are marble gray souffle dishes for pudding and cream brulees. So in this package you will receive 6 of them, and the cool thing about it, guys, they are dishwasher safe and they are microwave safe. And you can actually bake with them in the oven. And that is just all wrapped into one, and such goodness. The best thing about these, they're made for food, pro-grade, safe porcelain, lead-free, non-toxic. And guys, the cool thing about it is they are hot and cold food safe without worries of chips, nicks, cracks, or scratches. And they're ideal for your family. So just think of a creme brulee, desserts, pies, souffles, anything that you can put in these dishes. So today, guys, I'm going to do 2 quick recipes. The first one is going to be used by caramel apple. The second item you will be using, and that is the blackberries. So guys, let's go ahead on to this recipe. And the quick thing about it, yes, you will be using cinnamon rolls. So let's go ahead on. So guys, I love using the grands because the biscuits are much larger than the other brand names. So let's go ahead and open those. And who remember what you do? You just take the can and tap it on something and it pops right open. So there it is. So let's go ahead and remove all of these because we will be using all of them. So next, what I did, I used 1 biscuit per dish, but I did cut each one of them in half. And guys, right here, don't do this. Just get your kitchen shears and just go ahead and cut it apart. It's much easier. So for the first layer, you're going to take this and make sure it is surrounded by the bottom of the bowl. So I will be doing all 3. So now I will be using the blackberry first, and you're going to take about 1 or 2 big scoops and put them in there. Make sure you get enough of the jam inside of there, and just go ahead and smooth it out, and we will be going to the next step. So now what you want to do is take the other half, and you can just swirl this any kind of cute way you want to, but make sure whatever ends that are close to the bowl, you push down a little. So see, I'm making a little decoration in mine. So now we're going to move over to the caramel apple ones, and we're going to do the exact same steps. This would be something awesome to do with your young children during the summer months because the bowls are actually small enough for them to handle, and to make something that is fun and yummy. Yes, even me as an adult will love it. I still had a small piece of the cinnamon roll left over, so what I decided to do was just to cut them up evenly and just put them on top. And I think they will come out pretty good once they are done. So for precautions, I will be using a cookie sheet, and I will be placing them on the cookie sheet, and that is just for a little bit of protection in case they start overfilling during the baking process. So now guys, it is the fun part. It is actually putting them in the oven and let them bake for about 20 minutes on 350 degrees. So now about 20 minutes later, here it is time to pop them out. And guys, they look so good. So I know they are totally ready. So I'm going to go ahead and pull them out. And we're going to let them sit and cool for just a few. Oh my gosh, guys, look at that. Looks so good, and my kitchen smells so good. It's smelling just like a bakery, and look how cute they are in these dishes. Too cute. So now it's for the part that I should not have, and it's the icing. Guys, what a cinnamon roll without icing, guys. So now let's go ahead and icing these up. I'm going to do it very lightly, but I'm going ahead and ice them up. So the first one was the blackberry, and now we're doing the caramel apple. So now, no further ado, here is the grand finale. So let's go ahead and plate this up. So see, didn't I tell you I had some plates to match? And look at that. So not only is this dish cute to the eye, but it's actually portion control, guys. You're not overeating. And by throwing on some ice cream, oh yes. Okay guys, so now I have prepared this dessert, and once again guys, it is in that beautiful bowl, and you know we love marble, and look at it with my plate. Absolutely so pretty. So guys, of course, is it heat safe? Absolutely, because the heat was at 350 degrees for about 20 minutes. So did it crack? Absolutely not. So this is a apple cinnamon dump, and it has some butter pecan ice cream. Y'all, this is my favorite. So guys, let's go ahead and give a taste test. And as you can see, this recipe is just so easy. And I guarantee it's gonna be flavorful. So good. So good. So not even that you're eating pretty food. You're eating out of this beautiful little dessert bowl. So you can do desserts in here. You can do mini pot pies in here. You can do all kind of souffle. Souffle, because you know these are like what they do with souffle. But you can do anything that you want with these. And with me, guys, you see I did it in two different ways. Well, both of them with cinnamon rolls, and guys, when you do it with cinnamon rolls, you don't even have to add no extra sugar because it's sweet enough. So guys, try the recipe, but go ahead and go on Amazon. You will see the link down below. Go over and purchase these bowls, because I'm telling you once again, dishwasher safe, microwave safe, and oven safe. So therefore, if you want to bake it in this, the next morning you want to get up and drink this with some coffee, the only thing you got to do is pop it in the microwave, heat it up, and sit down and drink your coffee. How about that? Okay. So if you're doing souffles or chicken pot pie, the only thing you got to do is, if you're taking it over to a relative's house, like today, Easter, order these, order the bowls, do them in individual, and just nicely take it out. You know, it's like still the season, you know, we still there, but this individual, so there's no one sitting over the food or cutting in the food, breathing over the food. You have your own personal bowl. Okay. So guys, once again, I would like to thank my sponsor. I love this, guys. I love the company. As you can tell, on yesterday, you got a video from the same company. During Christmas time, you got a video from the same company. Guys, I love them, okay? I am not going to send someone to you that I don't believe in. I'm just not going to do that. With them, it's exactly what it is. I mean, it's easy to clean, dishwasher safe, and also microwave safe, okay? And on top of it, you're not getting anything from the porcelain to inhale inside your body that will cause issues inside your body. And that is very important these days, guys. So guys, go ahead, use my code right there, V20. Go ahead, go to Amazon, click on the link below and order yourself some. Because I'm telling you, just like my dish yesterday, you won't be disappointed. Because your girl is not going to send something out there to you all that I don't believe in. I told you that yesterday. If I don't believe in it, I'm not sending it over to you all, okay? So, once again, thank you so much to Malacase for coming in and sponsoring your girl. I'm an ambassador for the company and I love it. And they send me such good quality pieces. And the same pieces they send to me comes through the same manufacturer. So therefore, the same pieces I have in the quality, when you order, you will get the exact same type of quality. And that's outstanding. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and grab my dessert and go to chop on this. So guys, you know what I'm finna say. Please like, comment, subscribe, thumbs up my video. Please do share it out. Tell a neighbor, tell a friend. You know what? Tell them that the VeeHive is here. And you're gonna hear more from this company with me. Believe me, because I love the company. So guys, I gotta go. And I will be back. And until the next time, bye guys.